Hi everybody, this is Therese. Hope everybody's having a great day today. For this video, I'm going to do a tutorial using NYX's Barbie the Movie. Some items from 2 out of the 3 items that I got from the Barbie the Movie collection from NYX. Let's get started. So you guys know the drill. I'm going to do 2 different eye looks using all 6 of the shadows. So let's get started. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the coral shade right over here. Oh, by the way, let me I forgot to do this. Excuse me. This item is called Mini Color Palette, and this is in the shade. It's a Barbie Party. And it came with this cute little mini butter gloss in tiramisu. The other palette, I'm on the fence because it's beautiful. I swatched it in Ulta, but it's like, am I gonna really, use it more often? Because I don't want to waste money if I'm not gonna rarely use it, even for the sake to wear makeup for like singing videos or, Okay, let's get started. I know this is okay. Back to that coral shade. I'm gonna do for both of these. I'm gonna do what I'm gonna do for both looks. Yeah, this is more of a little bit more of the neutral side, kind of a between the 2 palettes that are available. Okay. I'm thinking about putting, I'm gonna do this for later, the brow bone color. It's gonna be the same, you'll see. Okay, in this eye, what I'm gonna go for is I'm feeling like I'm gonna go ahead and put this gold shade on my lid. Yes. Oh wow. Look at this. A little bit more. Oh yeah, baby. Okay. Okay. And then I'm gonna pick this warm, like brownish clay colored, like a orangish brown color. And I'm gonna take a crease brush. It's okay. Let's see. That's me. Okay. Oh, Jesus. I need more. Okay. I'm going like this. Well, I'm gonna pick another brush. Thank God I have a backup. Yeah, I think I'll do this one better. All right, thank God I got some backups. In case I sadly get into my sad clumsy moments. Okay, so I'm gonna put this. I'm gonna put it on the outer corner. Dang, this is travel friendly. It's not just an eyeshadow palette. You'll see later on. It's a multi-purpose palette. So if you get this mini color palette, there are stars indicating that you can use it and on your cheeks as well, or other parts of your face as well. Okay. All right. And so now that I'm done with this eye look from the crease down to my lash line, I'm gonna use this like this nude color. Okay, that's look number one. Do I feel like I'm gonna decide after I finish the other eye look. So on to the next look. Let's see what I'm gonna do this time around. Okay, I'm gonna go for this sparkling Barbie pink color. Okay, I better be careful not to lose grip of this thing. Okay, so I'm gonna try again. I'm using my finger versus a brush. Yeah. Let's make sure I'm satisfied with the pigment. Yeah, that's more than enough. Okay. Took me 2 swipes to get the intensity that I want. That's just my opinion. You can do it with the brush, but I tried it with the brush earlier, and it's like it doesn't do as well as my ring finger. Okay, so I'm almost done. So the last one in this, I'm gonna put this plum, like a purplish brown plum color in the outer corner. Let's see. Okay, so I'm gonna use my I'm gonna take my sweet time so I won't drop anything. Okay. I'm gonna use my right hand. Okay. Okay. Right now. Just a little. Oop. Okay. Oh. Oopsie. Oh, yeah. Wait, hold on. Okay. That's as smooth as I can get. Okay. And then so I'm gonna put again this this nude flesh tone shade on my lid and my brow bone. I'm sorry. Yeah, I don't know what to do with what I can do is that let's see. I'm gonna try not to be careful not to spill anything. Keep everything clean, you know what I'm saying? So what I can do is like for this one, if I do eyeliner, I can just do it plain and simple. I'll use this brownish clay color. Okay. Okay. Okay, then the other one, I'll use that plummy shade for my bottom lash line. And that's it for the two eye looks. Okay. So what I'm gonna do for, I'm not gonna buy that cheek blush, palette. I'm not too thrilled with the colors, and I have too many of those like highlight blush stuff. So since this is a multi-purpose kind of a product, what I did for my blush, I used this curl on my like above the apples of my cheek as best as I can. And then I took this gold shade and I put it, I tried to put it on my cheekbone or slightly above the cheekbone because I want the blush, all the cheek stuff above the hollows of my cheek. And then, and the last thing I used is, I put Perfect Day Pink Matte Lip Cream. This is what it looks like. And that's it. Until my next video, whenever that is, peace out. Bye.